to get used to uncertainty or used to or ambiguity, a lot of intriguing phenomenon arises. Creative phenomena arises when you take two polarity, two unrelated items side by side, and you have to merge them and create a single element. You have to create a single phenomenon. So this disparity have to become one cohesive phenomenon, right? And that is the highest, I call it the highest, one of the highest abstract attainment. Einstein was infatuated with this phenomena. Tesla, all of the great, and you see it exemplified in their artwork. Salvador Dali, Subconscious and Dreams. They understand that a great phenomenon arises out of merging incongruity, incompatibility. You have to find things that are incompatible, bring them together, and find something they share in common. That's the quintessential of geniusness. That is the essence of geniusness. And that's an ability. You have it or you don't have it. You cannot learn that phenomena. You're biologically predisposed to that phenomena. So that biological predisposition allows you to tap in to that abstract area of thinking. All right, and it allows you to download this information. How you download